What's up friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to my this new video how to promote ClickBank products with social media. Do you want to get this type of results? I will help you to get it. Okay, you see here some of my results. I will show you everything step by step. Okay, but at the first I want to disclose it. If you want to make $1,000 applying this method, then it's not possible. It's for the green newbie who don't have any website, any paid marketing, any YouTube videos. Okay, this for a totally beginner. Okay, in this method I will show you step by step how you can create ClickBank account, how you can get best products from ClickBank, and how you can share your affiliate links using social media. I will show you step by step everything. Now you see here what's the best part of this method. You can promote ClickBank products today. It's an evergreen way to make money online. You can make $30-40 per day. You can generate unlimited free traffic. Just spend 30 minutes per day, and you don't need to build any website. You don't need to make any videos. You don't need any coding skill, marketing skill, and any previous working skills. Okay, and you don't need to create any kind of content. It may be blog post, it may be making images. Doesn't don't need to do it, and totally beginner friendly. Okay, so I will show you a step by step everything. But if you want to make big money over $1,000 per month or more, then you have to build a website, you have to make YouTube videos, you have to run paid ads. But this method is for a green newbie. So just copy and paste what I showed in this video and just follow this step by step. Okay, I am Raju Bhadra, affiliate marketer of ClickBank, Zebizu, and many other affiliate networks, and making $1,000 per month by affiliate marketing, by online marketing. Okay, and I am working here over 9 years. So guys, if you are interested in affiliate marketing and if you want to long run your affiliate marketing journey, I suggest you to subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadra. It's an educational YouTube channel based on affiliate marketing, based on online marketing, and you see here a lot of money making opportunities inside my YouTube channel. I uploaded 2 or 3 videos per week, and a lot of money making opportunities here about ClickBank, Zebizu, Warrior Plus, high ticket program, free traffic, paid traffic, everything you will get inside my YouTube channel. So I can assure you, you must get better results. And if you want to make big money over 10,000 per month, then check my number on recommendation or check my video description. Okay. So guys, we ready to complete this tutorial. I will show you step by step everything, and I also provide you some of the message template. You see here, this message template is for traffic angle, and 2 templates here. You can get make money angle, then you can get high ticket commissions angle. I will provide all the message templates for you, and inside the video description you can get it. And you see here the 15 or 16 Facebook groups that will include a lot of members, and you get traffic from here. Okay, so guys, if you like this video, then like it, and if you have any question, then comment in the comment box. I will solve your problem. It's my promise. Okay, at the first you have to create your ClickBank account. Okay, just simply join here, put your country name, put your first name, put your last name, put your phone number, put your email address, put your password, and click the term and condition and join ClickBank. It takes 48 hours or more to get approval. After getting approval, you will get all the access every product inside ClickBank, and you can promote all the products from ClickBank. Okay, now simply sign in here. After sign in here in this ClickBank, you have to visit the ClickBank marketplace. Okay, you see here some of my results. Now visit the ClickBank marketplace. If you have, if you don't have ClickBank account, or if you facing problem to create ClickBank account, then use Warrior Plus, the same strategies. Then you can use Zevizu, the same strategies. You can use Digistore 24. So don't worry, if you don't have any ClickBank account, then you can use Warrior Plus, Digistore or Zevizu accounts to apply this method. Okay. Now inside the ClickBank marketplace, you see here all the categories here. In this case, you have to choose business and e-marketing. Okay. You see here all the business and e-marketing related products. In the case of choosing ClickBank products from ClickBank, you have to focus on gravity score. Okay, you see here the gravity score. Gravity score means how much affiliate makes sales this product. Okay, then you see here, here is the gravity score. You have to choose high gravity score product. It's recommended. Okay, now I will show you a short tricks. By this way you can promote multiple offers, or you can create this type of money page. Don't use direct affiliate link in the case of promoting on social media, then your account may be danger. Okay, use this type of money page. I will provide it, this money page, in the video description. You can copy it. You can choose this type of money page, or you can use a Linktree. Okay, you see here Linktree.ee. You see here Linktree. You have to sign up here. It's simple to sign up here. After sign up here, you can add a lot of products inside here. Okay, now when you get when you sign up your Linktree account, you get this interface and you have to add new link. Okay, go the ClickBank marketplace. Suppose you want to promote this product. Okay, you see here when you click the add new link, you have to add on first title, then your URL, and it's your title. Okay, simply copy this title, and in the case of adding title, I recommend you to make an eye-catchy title, such as make. Okay, in the next I will show you, or you can add this product name directly, and you see here click the promote and get your hook link. Okay, generate your hook link, and you see here it's your hook link and it's your affiliate link. You have to promote this link. Just simply copy this link and add to on Linktree. Okay, you see here you will get this link here. Just reload it. Okay, click wealth system. Now I want to add another products here. Add new link. Suppose in this case you can add this type of headings. Make 100 per day PayPal money. Okay, then add your URL. Suppose you want to promote any of this product. Suppose you promote onto this product. Then generate your hook link, copy your hook link and add this link. Okay, Just open and reload it and get it here. By this way you can add more and more products add on single page. Okay, and I recommend you to add 5 top products on ClickBank. And if you want to see the 5 top products, you can product this product, you can promote this product, Click Well System, you can promote Perpetual Income. Okay, you can promote this, you can promote this Squibble. Okay, and then you can promote this 12-minute affiliate. Okay, trending in. Okay, you can promote this type of products and let the focus on gravity scores. Okay, fine. Then if you want to promote traffic related product, then search traffic. Okay, you see here all the traffic related products inside ClickBank. And uh, inside this template that you will get in the video description, you see here the traffic angle template, the make money angle template, the high ticket commission angle template. Okay, so you can use any of this product, you can, it doesn't matter. And it's not mandatory to use my template, you can use your own template using your promoting products, you can do it. But if you are a totally newbie, if you don't have any knowledge, any skills, then you can use it, and you can use my money page too. Now you have to share your Linktree link on social media, and you see here, click the share button and copy my Linktree link. Just you have to share it. Now visit Facebook first. Now you have to find out, you have to join largely make money related Facebook groups. Okay, and you see here I already added this 15 link for you. Okay, 15 Facebook group for you. And you see here, if I click my groups, then you will get all the top groups of make money related. Now your task will be started here. Just simply open any of these groups. You see here a lot of posts inside this group, and you have to find out top comments group, over 20 comments, sorry, top comment post, over 20 comments. You have to see this type of post. You see this post contains 104 comments, so you can reply all those guy. But I suggest you to reply those guy who want to make comment like info, interested, how. Suppose if you want uh, some of my group post, you see here it's my post. You see it's my post, Facebook post, and you see 50 people comments here. And you see here info, you can reply this guy. You see here interesting, you can reply this guy. You see here it's info, you can reply this guy. You see here nice info, you can reply this guy. Then you can reply all these people here. You see here some of these guy using Linktree to make promote a new friendly traffic, but you will get a amazing template for making comments. Okay, search simply, okay, make money related angle, then copy this template, it's done for you. Then okay, you make you can you reply this guy, then reply here, paste this complete. Are you struggling to make money online? I see you are looking to make some extra money online. It will be the fastest and easiest system ever. It may well be the fastest and easiest system ever. Okay, and sorry, double unbelievable to get the exact system, so powerful yet so simple. You can set up on take just a few quick steps and have buying traffic hitting your affiliate links over and over again. Okay, make money online fast. Now you have to add your Linktree link. Okay, copy this link and paste it here, then make comment. You see here, it's your comment and it's the exact process, it's the exact system. You can share your affiliate link using Linktree and you can promote 5 or more products at on page. When someone click this, you see here this one, and if someone click this link, then they will go the ClickBank sales page, and when someone make sales, you can make commission. That's the way. Okay, you see here. So join all these groups, okay, and apply this system. Okay, and don't make one or two comments at a time, then make a gap, then make another attempt, make a gap, another attempt. Okay, 2 or 3, highest two comments per time. Okay, then make a gap, then make another comment. Okay, by this way you can share your Linktree link, you can share your ClickBank affiliate link. Okay, then you can visit the any of this group members. Okay, click the group members, then you have to find out the newly added member. You see here, new to this group, and you can message them directly using this template, using Linktree link. That's all. And if you want to use this type of money page using Google Docs, you can do it too. It's there is no issues here. You can you have to analyze your task by yourself. You can use this Google Docs money page, or you can use, sometimes you can use this Linktree link. When you get the best result, you can apply this system this way exactly. Okay, so you can message these guys, but don't make message 2 or 3 people at a time. Then you can run your marketing system, marketing process smoothly. But if you make 10 comments at a time, if you make 10 messages at a time, then your account may be in danger. Okay, now Facebook. Okay, you can use Twitter. Okay, by sharing your Linktree link, by sharing for sharing your ClickBank affiliate link. Okay, you see here the Explorer, click the Explorer and search here I need money. Okay, you search it I need money. You see all the top post here, but your task is in not here, not in top post. You see, you have to see the latest post. Okay, click the latest post. You see here 3 seconds ago, 8 seconds ago, 12 seconds ago, 14 seconds ago, 20 seconds ago, 30 seconds ago, 32 seconds ago, and you can comment any of this post, but you have to read the post first. Don't make unnecessary comment. Okay, you see here this guy on to I need money. You can make comment here. Okay, copy any of the template, paste it. It's okay, Okay, then copy the link and make reply. Your task is over. Okay, now open this post and you see here it's your reply. That's it. By this way you can get clicks. But guys, don't want to make $1,000 using this method. Mind it. You can make little bit 30-40 per day, 10 to 20 per day, 5 per day, 0 per day. But if you have to apply it. If you are a totally green newbie, this for you. This method is for you. But if you have experienced, if you have knowledge, then I suggest you to build a website, to make YouTube videos, to run paid ads, then build your Facebook groups, Facebook pages, build your Instagram page, Instagram account profile day by day. You have to wait, you have to grow your profiles day by day. Don't want to get overnight result, and if you want to get fast results, then you have to apply this method. Now you can message all those guys at the same time as Facebook. Okay, when you, in the case of Twitter, most of the people opt their message. Okay, I don't see anyone to make message. But you can get it. Then you see here in this post 9 people reacted. You can see all these 9 guys. You can see all these 9 guys. Then you can message them. It's the targeted guy. It's the targeted people. Okay. When you checks, then you can get this guy to message them. Okay. Now I will show you how you can share your affiliate link using Tumblr, another social media, another popular social media platform. You can use Tumblr. Okay, just search on make money online. Sorry, make money online. Okay, make money online related post here. You see this guy make post 5 people's notes. Notes means like click these 5 guys, find out these 5 guys, then open their profile and you see this symbol and click here to message this guy. Then the same way copy this template. Sorry, copy this template. Use the copy your Linktree link or your Google Doc link and message them. And don't message 2 or 3 guys at a time. Then make a gap and make message once again. So guys, by this way, by applying this system, you can get social media traffic for promoting ClickBank products. Once again, I want to repeat it, you can't make huge money to applying this method, but if you don't have any money making opportunities, if you don't have any traffic opportunities, then you can simply apply it, and I will provide this money page, this template and this Facebook group inside the video description. If you like this video, then like it. If you have any question, then comment in the comment box. I am always ready to solve your problems, to solve your queries. Okay, and don't forget to share this video with other people, with your friends. Okay, and if you fast inside my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro and hit the notification bell to be the fast viewer all of my new videos, new exciting updates inside my YouTube channel. It's an educational YouTube channel based on affiliate marketing, based on online marketing, a lot of money making opportunities you will get inside my YouTube channel. Okay, you see here. And if you want to make over 10,000 per month, then check my number on recommendation or check my video description. So guys, That's it. It's the complete tutorial. If you want to get ClickBank commission or Warrior Plus commission, JPG commission, you can simply apply this method and get results. If you get results, then comment in the comment box, I get results. Share your opinion, share your experience inside the comment box. It will help other marketers, other people. It will help me. It inspired me to make more and more videos. Okay guys, that's it. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, see you soon. God bless you. Bye.